Dear students, today I shall teach you supplementary reader. The first lesson of supplementary reader is The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raz Anand. In this story, the writer has presented the psychology of a child. A child who lived in a village. He was going to a fair. It was the spring season and the child was going to the fair with his parents. So many villagers were also going to the fair. Someone were going on foot. Some people were going in bullock carts and some were going on horses, and the child was also going with his parents on foot. On the way, he saw something. As he saw the toy seller, the child saw a toy seller. He was selling toys. There were many types of toys, and the toys fascinated the child very much, and the child wanted to take the toys. So he requested his parents. So he requested his father to purchase for him a toy. But he knew very well that his parents would not purchase him a toy, and so he went ahead. After the toy seller, the child saw a mustard field. There were yellow flowers blooming in the mustard field, and the child entered the mustard field. There were butterflies, there were dragonflies, and the child enjoyed much in the mustard field, and he tried to catch the butterflies. When the parents called him, he ran towards his parents. After the mustard field, the child saw groups, a group of trees. The child entered the groups. He enjoyed much there. But when his parents called him, he went ahead. And after some time, the child reached the fair, and in the fair, the child saw a sweet meat seller. On the entrance gate, there was a sweetmeat seller. He was selling sweets. He was hawking cake, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi, and the child was much attracted, fascinated to see colorful sweets. But he knew very well that his parents would not purchase him sweets. He liked barfi very much. He did not suppress his desire. He requested his parents, "Father, I want to take that barfi." But without waiting for an answer, he went ahead because he knew very well that his father would say, "You are very greedy." After the sweetmeat seller, he saw a flower seller who was selling colorful garlands, fragrant flowers. The child liked garland much, and he requested his parents to purchase him a garland, but he knew very well that his father would say, "These are very cheap." And so he went on, moved on. After a flower seller, the child saw a balloon seller. A balloon seller was selling balloons, colorful balloons, and the child was much attracted. He requested his parents to purchase him balloons. He wanted to take all the balloons, but his father, he knew very well that his father would say, "You are too old to play with such toy." And so he went on. After a balloon seller, the child saw a snake charmer. A snake charmer was showing the dance of snake. He was playing a flute. The child wanted to hear the music, and he requested his parents, but he knew very well that his father would say he should not hear the coarse music of flute, and so he moved on. After a snake charmer, the child saw a roundabout. There were many people, many men, women, and children sitting in the roundabout. They were very happy. They were making merry. And when the child saw roundabout, he wanted to sit in the roundabout. He wanted to swing in the roundabout. Roundabout means jhula. The child wanted to swing. Now he made bold request. He said, Father, I want to sit in the roundabout. Mother, I would sit in the roundabout. But he got no reply. He turned behind. He saw his parents were not there. He saw here and there, but his parents were not there. He was lost in the fair. Now the child was running here and there. He was searching his parents. He ran towards the temple, towards the shrine, where so many people were going to worship. And he entered the crowd. He was about to trample underfoot. He cried loudly. A kind-hearted young man heard the shriek of the child. He lifted the child in his arms and he came out from the crowd. He asked the child who he was, where was his father, his mother, how had he reached there. But the child said nothing. The child wept bitterly, and he said to the young man, I want my father, I want my mother. Since the young man was very kind-hearted, he wanted to soothe the child. And so he offered those things which the child needed, demanded in the presence of his parents. But when his parents were not there, when he was lost in the fair, he did not like anything. The young man went to the roundabout and offered the child to sit in the roundabout. But the child said, no, I do not want to sit in the roundabout. I do not want to swing it. I want my father, I want my mother. After roundabout, he went to a snake charmer, a balloon seller, a flower seller, and a sweetmeat seller. Means the young man went step by step, backward step, to all these things and offered the child to hear the music of snake charmer, to take the balloons, to take the flowers, the garland, and at last the young man said to the child that he should take burfi. You know very well The child favorite sweet was barfi, but in the absence of his parents, the child said that he does not like barfi. He said, I want my father, I want my mother. And thus, Mulk Raj Anand has presented the psychology of a child beautifully, successfully. The psychology of the child is that a child needs so many things, demands so many things in the presence of his parents, but in the absence of his parents, he needs nothing. He is in need of his parents. He is in need of his mother and his father. That's all.